Thank you for choosing Duplicate Check. After installing Duplicate Check, you gain the ability to find, merge, and prevent duplicate records in Salesforce. Let's get started. In the App Exchange, find Duplicate Check and click Get It Now. Decide if you want to install Duplicate Check in your production or sandbox. If you choose to start a trial at a later point, it doesn't matter if you have it installed in production or sandbox. We can provide trial licenses for any Salesforce organization. After agreeing to the terms and conditions, click Confirm and Install. Now think about for which users you want to install Duplicate Check. You can use Duplicate Check with as many users as you want. If you decide to install for administrators only now, you can always give access to other users at a later point. Duplicate Check is now being installed. You will get an email confirmation once the installation is successful. After installing, there are some post-installation steps that you have to take. These post-installation steps consist of adding Duplicate Check buttons to the page layouts. In this how-to, we're adding the buttons for the lead object. Log into your Salesforce and access to Salesforce Setup. If you're not using Lightning, please find our other guide that explains the steps in Salesforce Classic. At Platform Tools, choose Objects and Fields, Object Manager. Find your lead object in the Objects list. Select Page Layouts and open the page layout you want to add the buttons to. We're now adding the Disable Duplicate Check checkbox. Let me tell you what that does. When adding a new record in Salesforce, Duplicate Check will see if your new entry is a potential duplicate. If it is a duplicate, we suggest working on the record that already exists by clicking Open. If you want to create the record anyway, you can set the checkbox to True. That allows you to add the record anyway and bypass the prevention message at any time. Drag and drop the Disable Duplicate Check checkbox from the fields to your page layout. Next up is adding the DC Check and DC Convert button. The DC Check button starts a search for the record that you're currently working in. If there's a duplicate, we will show you right away. The DC Convert button lets you convert a lead using our conversion process. It allows you to see any existing contacts or accounts that are associated with your lead, in which you can convert into. Drag and drop the DC Check and DC Convert button from the buttons to the Custom Button section in your page layout. Click Save. If you want to have these buttons for other objects as well, you now know how to add them. If you're using a custom object, you would have to create a button manually. Check out our knowledge base and learn how to simply create them in Salesforce. Thank you for installing Duplicate Check. If you want to experience all features that Duplicate Check has to offer, get a free 10-day trial at our website. Find our other how-to videos to quickly get started and get rid of your duplicate records in Salesforce. If you have any questions or want to schedule a demo session with a Duplicate Check expert, feel free to reach out to us.